Okay, everybody, one last video. This one's going to be pretty quick, and then I'm going to kick you guys to homework just for a little bit of practice. Just a quick recap. An outlier effect will affect I've got a word bank over here: outlier, mean, median, range, outlier effect. Which one fits in here the most? An outlier will affect should be the mean, far more than the median. Okay, and we see that because the outlier effect, right, where an outlier pulls the mean but doesn't really affect the median very much. Okay, and I wanted to look at a couple quick examples. This one is way out of date. Okay, you cannot buy a house for this much money anymore. But you read this about prices, home prices. The mean price is $750,000, but the median price is only $400,000 on homes. What could explain why the mean price is so much less than the median? Okay, and based on what we've talked about already today, the thing that I would love to talk to you guys about, the outlier effect and what that looks like here. Okay, so let's pretend there's a neighborhood with a lot of houses that cost about $400,000, but also we've got some big mega mansions over here. These are our outliers, and when we add in this, let's call this a $2 million house. This one's a $4 million house. This one's 4 million. This one's 6 million. Whatever you want to pretend, right? When we add those in and calculate the mean, those outliers are going to pull the house prices to a much larger value. But when we calculate the median, we're going to get rid of the cheapest house and the most expensive house. We're going to get rid of the cheapest house. We're going to get rid of the most expensive house. Cheapest, most expensive, right? And pretty soon what we see is that we're going to end up with a median that's one of, kind of the normal houses in that area. And that could help explain that example. Okay. I also have one other example here. It's kind of an old one, and I think this one's also kind of out of date. But if we look at University of North Carolina, UNC, the Tar Heels. The following median and mean salary of students who majored in geography, the study of maps. Okay, and this is before Google Maps, right? GIS has kind of changed that industry quite a bit. But if we look at the mean starting salary or the mean career average salary, it's $95,000, but the median is only $40,000, right? What could explain that difference? Right, and hopefully you're starting to spot this pattern. We have at least one outlier who's pulling our mean up, and in this case, his name is Michael Jordan. Okay, Michael Jordan did study geography at UNC, and he obviously made a lot more money not making maps and playing basketball instead. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything else for you today? Not really. There is a multiple choice question here. This is an SAT question. And I wanted to make sure that problems like this made sense to you guys. On the next slide, this is there. See if you can figure out the answer. See if this is sort of making sense, how these questions might pop up for you. And then take a look at the homework after that. That's all I've got for you guys today. Should be a pretty quick lesson, pretty painless. And I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow on Friday. All right. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.